the ice? Why is it so big?
So it doesn't melt. It's actually really interesting how they do it. It's this one company out in Boston that... That went south so fast!
The American West is a terrible place in time. Everything out here that's not you wants to kill you. Angry drunk people, hungry animals, outlaws. Oh, the doctor.
I couldn't save her.
She had a splinter. Doc, what the hell were you supposed to do?
I would like to welcome a new member to our community.
Welcome to our awesome town.
What's with this fair?
Every year, people die.
Really?
Everybody hold still.
People die at the fair.
People die at the fair.
Somebody in this town is going to die.
Please don't shoot us on sex night.
You beat this guy at a gunfight, you're gonna be a real hero.
He's the most vicious gunfighter in the territory.
I'm gonna teach you how to shoot.
I gotta get a running start.
Dude, you really shouldn't drink and horse.
Aim up.
Get ready, I'm about to shoot a full load at your cans.
Shut up.
Hey! Oh, no, I didn't!
You've never seen one?
Yeah, I feel like I should have a piece of cake or something.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I know you're here, Stark. Nakla, Henaza, Imeko.
Hatena ashte. Mila kunis, Mila kunis.
Taizuz, Negle.
Cha-cha, Tanjo.
Ste, Tasche, Goute.
Wow, you look amazing.
I really love that the most alluring fashion today is to simulate a fat ass.
If I was a black guy, this is the meanest trick you could play on me.
A million ways to die in the West.
Maybe the frontier is not so bad after all.
Hey, it's a sweet young couple. Can I interest you folks in a miracle cure?
Holy shit.